How to manage housekeeping in eGlobe HMS. Let's logging into the eGlobe panel. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the dashboard, where you can view key insights such as today's revenue, check-ins, checkouts, bookings, and recent software updates. Now, go to the PMS section from the top menu and click on Housekeeping. You'll now be on the Housekeeping page. Here, you can view the status of each room, whether it is dirty, clean, or needs touch-up. You can also see which staff member is assigned to each room. Let's see how to update the room status. First, select the room. Then choose the housekeeping status. Click on the Update Status button. If you want to assign or change the staff member, then again select the room, go to Assign Selected Room to. Select the employee name and click on Assign Room. As you can see, both the room status and the assigned staff have been updated successfully. To add or update housekeeping staff, go to the Admin section and click on Manage Staff. To add a new employee, click on Add New, fill in the required details, and submit. Here you can view employee details. To update an existing employee, click on Edit, make the necessary changes, and submit. Here, you can view updated employee details. Once added, the new employee will also appear in the housekeeping module for room assignment. That's how you can efficiently manage housekeeping in eGlobe HMS. For more information, call us at 9818880480.